Welcome to the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite in billet metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.2-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trailhawk, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and mirrors, automatic headlights, hatch release button, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, dial-controlled driving modes, USB auxiliary ports, and a single cigarette lighter charger. And in the center console, you can also find your shifter and electronic parking brake. Taking a look at the exterior of the Trailhawk, starting off with the 17-inch wheels currently sitting on Firestone Destination tires. This vehicle will be getting a full set of new tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, dark gray Cherokee badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with turn signals, trail-rated badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, dark gray Jeep badge in the center of the hood. Front plate mount is installed. Red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are also installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the clear tail lights, single red recovery hook, towing packages installed, 4x4 Jeep and Trailhawk badging all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Trailhawk, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in the 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down here in the middle. And here in the center console, we have 2 USB charging ports and a 115-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.